Okay, so this is really cool. I'm actually sitting inside an old decommissioned Bell Huey helicopter, which is identified, so conspicuously with the Vietnam War. So pretty much any film about the Vietnam War would have a substantial you know uh, section devoted to this helicopter, because this was a helicopter that got the troops in and out. So okay, despite the fact that the Americans lost, this helicopter has become iconic for that film. And here I can move the pedals and I can move around the control stick. And the interesting thing is, when I move my control stick, it obviously moves the co-pilot's control stick in like fashion. So what all do we have here? We have altitude, we have the horizon meter, that's vertical speed. I don't know what this is. This is maybe the rate of ascent or descent feet. There's fuel pressure. I don't know what that is. That maybe this is just a clock. That's oil temperature. That's temperature as well as pounds, something about pressure. Radio, engine. And here we have a whole host of instruments. I can see starters, I can see wipers, and a whole bunch of other things. The original wiring is still there. You can still see a lot of the buttons are still there. Yeah, and this thing is all metal and all business. You can see some windows, maybe. That's a leather strap. It's pretty cool. I think time to get out of here. Oh, that's very cool. That's some kind of an engine flip switch, generators, I think. It still clicks into place. And now I'm going to try and get out of this thing without hitting my head. Here we are. And this was an ex-Colombian Air Force or Colombian Army Huey. Helicopters look small when you see them in movies and pictures, but helicopters are big, man. They're big and heavy and they look pretty tough. So here's a quick description of the Huey. Obviously, those are the iconic images of Hueys in the Vietnam War. And a quick snapshot of helicopters and the history of helicopters. It's right from Leonardo da Vinci to today's super cool, super, killer and stealthy machines.